Join me as I try to save thousands on my taxes using this simple trick that you won't believe actually works. When it comes to taxes, most of us are just trying to get by without getting audited. But what if I told you there are simple strategies out there that can save you thousands of dollars each year? Today, I want to share one of those strategies with you, a little-known tax trick that can make a huge difference in your tax bill. Many people think they're doing everything right when it comes to their taxes, but the truth is, most of us are leaving money on the table. We're overpaying, and it's not because we're trying to be generous. It's because we don't know any better. There are so many myths and misconceptions out there about taxes, and it's time to set the record straight. For example, did you know that just because you're not an accountant or a financial expert doesn't mean you can't take advantage of the same tax savings as the pros? Or that you don't have to be a business owner to claim business expenses? These are just a couple of the common misconceptions I see people falling for every year. Another big one is the idea that you're only going to get audited if you're doing something shady. That's just not true. The IRS uses a complex algorithm to determine who gets audited, and it has nothing to do with whether or not you're trying to cheat the system. But even if you do get audited, having all your ducks in a row and keeping accurate records can make the process so much smoother. The truth is, most of us are just trying to navigate the tax system the best we can, but we're not always aware of the best strategies to use. And that's exactly what I want to share with you today, a simple tax trick that can save you thousands. So, what is this magic trick? It's actually pretty simple. It's called the home office deduction, and it's a game changer for anyone who works from home, even if it's just part-time. Here's how it works. If you use a dedicated space in your home regularly and exclusively for business, you can deduct a portion of your rent or mortgage interest, utilities, and even internet and phone bills from your taxable income. And the best part is, it's not just limited to freelancers or business owners. Anyone can take advantage of this deduction, even if you just work from home one day a week. To make it work, you'll need to keep accurate records of your business expenses, including receipts, invoices, and canceled checks. You'll also need to take photos and measurements of your dedicated workspace to prove it's being used regularly and exclusively for business. And finally, you'll need to calculate the percentage of your home that's being used for business. This is where things can get a little tricky, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Let's say you work from home one day a week, and your home office takes up about 10% of your total square footage. If your rent or mortgage interest is $2,000 per month, you could deduct $200 per month, or $2,400 per year. That's a big chunk of change, especially if you're used to paying top dollar on your taxes. And the best part is, this is just one of many tax-saving strategies out there waiting to be discovered. So, how much can you really save with this tax trick? The answer is, it depends. If you're someone who works from home full-time, you could be looking at savings of $5,000 or more per year. But even if you just work from home one day a week, you could still be saving $1,000 or more. And when you combine this trick with other tax-saving strategies, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we've covered a simple yet effective tax trick that can save you thousands of dollars each year. Remember, it's all about being aware of the strategies that are available to you and taking advantage of them. If you've got your own favorite tax-saving tips, I want to hear about them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial advice and tips on maximizing your tax deductions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.